guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today, I will be doing an unboxing video of the BTS album that I just bought from Shopee, which is right here. The name is BTS Map of the Soul 7. That is their latest album. They released it on February 2020. So I'm really excited to unbox this album, and it arrives here fast despite the quarantine, hopefully, thanks to the Lord. So let's try to unbox it right now since I'm excited to look at the albums. Let's check it out. So this is how the packaging looks like. Let's get ready to unbox it. Trying to cut it, but I have a hard time. So yeah, this is how the packaging looks like. It's covered in styrofoam, and it comes with the rolling because I ordered the tube version of the poster, not the folded one. Whoa, I could see it barely already as it shows the album of the version 4. So let's unbox the album first before the poster itself. I'll just open it like this way. There! So, this is how the album looks like. It's so big. Oh, those photo cards! So, it's like this, Map of the Soul 7 album. Actually, I ordered 2 albums. Tada! Thank you, seller, for the freebies. So, before the album, I'll show you muna the photo cards. So, this is RM. Oh God, he looks so cool there as the leader. Ah, they're so cute! This is the whole BTS squad. They look so cute together, especially it's really fun to have picture together with them. And this is... Wait, the picture's kinda not clear, but I think this is... Yeah, this is J-Hope. You're my hope. I'm J-Hope. Then this is also another bookmark of the BTS album. Actually, this is the freebies from the seller. Thank you so much, seller, for giving me these freebies. I'll put the link down below where I bought the album just to see it. The seller really packed it very well to make sure that the album is safe. Especially, this is a brand new album that came out this year. Last February 2020. To compare the size, I have also the personal album. It's here. Just don't mind this that fell. So this is the personal album I had a few months ago. To compare the size, oh, they're 2 times. The Map of the Soul 7 is 2 times bigger than the personal album. Or you could just do this also. So it's 2 times the size of the personal album. I'm really excited to open this. So let's start to open it. I understand that it has a little bit of dent at the end, but at least it's still in good condition. So the album is really like this. It's kinda like a box or something, because I thought at first it's also a photo book. So it says Big Hit, Dreamers, and the BTS logo is there. So I ordered the version 4. Wow! So this is the CD. This is the CD of Map of the Soul. It's really like that. Then this is their cute photo card. Oh gosh, I love the way how they smiles there. And their signature. It's really cute though. Then this is their, I'm not sure, it's all in Korean, but I think this is their I think card from Big Hit something. Yeah. Then this is their notes. It's also all written in Korean. Actually, before I joined a foreign language class, which is Korean, so I know some of the symbols and the Korean characters. I know some easy words like 안녕하세요, 감사합니다, 사랑해요. So this is their sticker. Oh, they look so cute. I love how they doodle themselves. I'm so happy for it. It says Army. And then this is their coloring paper. It says number 7. According to my theory, I think they named number 7 because BTS has 7 members, which are Kim Namjoon, Kim Seokjin, Min Yoongi, Jung Ho Seok, Park Jimin, Kim Taehyung, Jung Jungkook, BTS. So this is their lyric book. Some of the songs of the personal album is still there, but it's just that they added more songs. So these older songs. So yan, this is their lyric book. And this is their Map of the Soul card. I wonder which photo card I get. So this is their poster. They look so jolly and happy together. I love also those artists who create the doodles. A very cute doodles for them. So this is them. So this is them. Oh, this Jim Worldwide Handsome. Jin is so cool with his glasses on. It says Jin. There. This is their poster at the back. Then this is Suga. I love their outfits when they have for the photo shoot of this album. And this is the back version. They look so cute, really, on how they interact each other during the photo shoot. It says Jin, Jungkook, Suga. Oh, V so cute here. So this is V. And this is their back version. It says RM and V. It's really like a comic book. That's why I ordered the version 4. It reminds me of the anime manga books I read since before. I used to buy real mangas, but now I read it online to save up money. This is Jungkook. I like the quality of the paper they use. It's really nice. So this is him. Then this is also the back version. Then this is RM, which is the leader of BTS. So this is his face, and this picture here is he's with Jungkook. This is the back version. Well, they look like they have fun time spending together in this photo book. They really look so cute together. Next one is which is my bias, Park Jimin. I love his cute face here. This part is the cutest part, which he puts his hands together on his cheek. Then this is the back part of the photo book. They look so cute with J-Hope. Really. ARMY! Saranghaeyo. The last one but not the least is J-Hope. I'm your hope, you're my hope, I'm J-Hope. They're so cute when they laugh together. Especially Jin laughs a lot with Park Jimin and with the other BTS members. So I wonder what card did I get? I got Suga. I like the stripes on how they do it. It's fine that I didn't get my bias, but at least I got Suga. So this is the poster. I ordered the tube version. Okay, this is kind of hard to open. Okay, almost there. Okay, so it's here na. Wow, the seller really sealed it properly. Ta-da! So the poster's here. I love this poster. It's related to the version 4 album that I got. It says Map of the Soul 7. It comprises of all members here. I saw that they used this concept in the BTS run. Ah, it's the same pala. Yeah, it's really the same. That is all for the unboxing of the album and the poster. I hope you enjoy seeing what's inside the BTS Map of the Soul 7 album and also the poster. So that's all for today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Especially it's my first time doing an unboxing video. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow my social media accounts, which are Kawaii Cosplays and Hana_Magat. So that's all for today, and saranghaeyo! Goodbye!